How to change sound on Zangi application. Our guest facing issue to change sound on Zangi app. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Zangi app on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now scroll down and click on notifications. After you click on notification, click on sounds and select the sound according to your preference. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna change sound on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Zangi app, then make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.